There's a concept called sustainability by design. This is quite similar to other concepts we have that are very popular in computing, things like, security by design or privacy by design. These things are thought right the way through products and in computing terms it's software, but in this case it's things that we are creating. So what exactly is this? There's a nice definition there. Proactive approach, integrating sustainability principles into the design of products, services, systems, policies, put it right the way through. And this notion of sustainability is not just the green stuff. It's enabling things to be able to be kept going at all times, hoping to minimize some kind of environmental, social, and economic impacts, but do this from the start. A number of concepts on this: life cycle thinking about the life cycle of whatever it is that you're creating, right the way through from the raw materials coming out to the disposal at the end, hoping to minimize environmental impacts. Examples of this, the car batteries and things like this. This is one of the challenges that people have. They think, well, where's the stuff coming from? And these are real considerations. Cradle to cradle design, what they call it, mimicking the human body where nutrients are reused again. Hopefully products can be, reusable, recyclable. We've been doing a lot of this stuff now. Hopefully biodegradable. They don't sit in landfill forever. And being efficient with our resource usage, not wasting energy, and finding maybe this is where we can find technology can help us find newer and improved ways to do things during the production. And we need systemic change in this. We need changes right the way through, and this is changes to a huge amount of areas. And some of the areas that you were going to work in or maybe already work in, a holistic approach to thinking about the whole thing. Hopefully that the things that we're doing, the solutions or the products, they'll fit into this larger systems, like what we call the circular economies, where things go right the way through. Some of the benefits of this stuff, obviously environmental, and reduce this carbon footprint that we're always talking about, and we're always hearing about, and waste. Efficiency, long-term savings, and the longer-term savings are things that some people just have a challenge with, but it can be done. It's like solar panels, which will take a long time to pay back. Great if you have enough money to buy the solar panels at the start. For other people, this is still a long way off. Not impossible, but it's a while away. The reputation of things that go and can build some trust, and there's a whole movement of, these eco-conscious consumers who actually want this type of stuff. Not everyone's like this, but I did have a niece who wanted some, eco-friendly trainers for her present. And then the impacts of this. Will there be fair labor and ethical practices? Can we do that? Things that will be sustained, not just taking advantage of people. Some examples: green buildings. Again, generally a first world thing at the moment, but eventually they will get in there. Energy efficiency and good materials in there. Circular products, some kind of modular design, reuse and recycling, that these things can be, used again and put on out. And they do this in data centers and they do it in different places around the world. There's a lot happening with it. Packaging, some stuff, all the plastics and things that everything's packaged in. What can we do with these things? How do we recycle them?